Hello, I'm Alia Faiko Tamam, going to present a research proposal entitled Mentoring Program to Develop Students' English Language Proficiency, a case study at Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. Background of study. In this background of study, I'll be explaining mentoring definitions and the significance of mentoring program and having mentor. Mentoring is the process of guiding by mentor to mentees. Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines mentor as someone who teaches or gives help and advices to a less experienced and often younger person, while mentee is the one who is being mentored. Rampton 2016 outlined that mentoring is significant, not only because of the new knowledge, skills, and experiences that the mentees obtain from their mentors, but also because mentoring gives professional socializations and personal support to loosen up the mentee's success in graduate school level and exit. Here I have two research questions. For the first is, how is the design of mentoring program at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute? And for the second is, how are students' English language proficiency at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute? Objective of the study. First, to explore the design of mentoring program at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute, and the second, to investigate students' English language proficiency at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. Scope and limitation. This study focuses on scope of the design of mentoring program at Foreign Language Development Institutions, Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute, and the English language proficiency of the mentees at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. This study has four definitions of key terms. First, mentoring program. Second, mentor. Third, mentees. And the last is English language proficiency. This study defines mentoring as a daily guidance activity by the third-year students to the first and second-year students at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute Probolinggo. For mentor, this study defined it as students who are in the third year at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic, who have been through 2 years of being mentees in their first and second year to study at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. While mentees in this study is defined as students who are in their first and second year to study at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. This study defines English language proficiency as the levels capability of first and second year students, or also known as mentees, in mastering English at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic. Some previous studies on the implementation of mentoring have been widely researched in the last 8 years, such as by Irby, Lind, Boswell, and Hewitt 2017, Kaharman, Kuzu, and Castanheira 2016, and the last is by Delany 2012. All of those previous studies have already focuses on mentoring for professional development. Studies on the implementation of mentoring program to foster academic performance development have also been widely carried out, such as by Hauti, Siswadi, and Mambu 2019, Strassing, Scoos 2014, Carbon and Scapman 2014, Ismail and Juid 2014. Those studies have focuses on mentoring effects toward the mentee's academic performance. Nonetheless, research haven't covered how is mentoring program process that are done by the same level of mentor and mentee's professional position, such as mentoring by student to students can develop the mentee's English language proficiency. Thereby, this will focus on the various activities of mentoring program process done by students at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute. Also, this study will cover the development that is obtained by the mentees during mentoring program process, especially for the English language proficiency. This study used a qualitative design which specifically qualitative descriptive methodology. The data of this study was the mentoring program activities at FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute, where the mentor and mentees are the main source of the data. Official officer and the director of FLDI Nurul Jarid Islamic Institute will also be the source of the data to assist the data validity. Other data of this study were the pre-test result of the students before enrolling at LDI Nur Jarid Islamic Institute and the new test result of the students where the test was given by the researcher. This study used observations, interview, and data analysis for data collection technique. And the instruments are observation checklist, interview guideline, and tests. Well, viewers, this is Dian. Thank you so much for watching and see you.